Welcome to the Gentle Space. My name is Shari, and I'm your mindfulness facilitator. I am honored that you are here choosing to take this gentle 12-day journey with me. Before we begin, I want you to know that this space is yours, your quiet time, your soft moment away from the noise, the rushing, and the busy world. For the next 12 days, you'll be listening, breathing, reflecting, and slowly reconnecting with yourself, one gentle lesson at a time. You'll receive a workbook with this program, but you are more than welcome to use your own personal book, journal, or marker pad. Sometimes your own book feels more like your space, a place where your thoughts, drawings, and feelings can live freely. Choose whatever feels right for you. Each day, try to find a moment that belongs only to you. Put on your earphones, sit back in a comfortable chair, or lie down somewhere soft. Let your body relax, let your breath slow down, and allow yourself to listen. Listening is a big part of mindfulness. Listening to the words, listening to the pauses, listening to your breath, listening to your body, listening to the small details that often go unnoticed. As you listen, you may feel things, remember things, or notice things you haven't paid attention to in a long time. And that's okay. That's part of the journey. After each lesson, or even during it, make notes in your book. Write down a word, a shape, a feeling. Draw something that comes to mind. And please try the daily activity. It's such an important part of finding yourself again. Because you look back and you reflect on what your drawing feels to you. This is your time to breathe, your time to soften, your time to reconnect with who you are and who you're becoming. Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. When you are ready, you can begin day one, and we will walk this 12-day journey together.